New Balance made a commitment to the running communities of the world several years ago to be #1 in running. To get there, we knew we had to put together the best team in the industry, a team of designers, developers, engineers, and marketers, all focused on a common goal: to bring performance and innovation into a product line like none other in the industry. Bringing our athlete stories into it has only made us stronger and better and more performance-driven. You're going to love what you see in 2012. You're going to see a lot of hard work that's come together from a team that has truly made excellent happen.
The new NB Minimus Zero collection is launching in Q1 2012. This is an innovative collection in our Minimus series that represents trail running, running, and wellness. These shoes are going to take our company to the next level in terms of our product leadership in the minimal space.
New Balance version 1 was an opportunity for us to really try something that we had never tried before, which was really lower people to the ground and change that heel height ratio. We really learned to do that from one of our ultra runners, Anton. We got his shoes back, and you'd see that where he actually had cut the back of the shoe off so that he could run in a much flatter, what he considers a more natural stance. And that really led to a lot of learning on our part. So one of the key insights for version 2 was to really take what we had learned from the platform of version 1. Now that we're sort of evolving this platform, we can really look at specifics and try to figure out, all right, where are these people landing the most, what areas of the shoe are wearing out, and one of the goals of version 2 is to make this thing significantly lighter. So we use these wear test shoes and marked the 10 most used lugs on each shoe, kind of overlaid them, and then use that as a guideline to create the V2 bottom.
All the shoes in the Minimus Zero collection use a zero drop last. This is a new last for New Balance. Traditional shoes utilize a last that has a 12mm drop from heel to forefoot, and the original 10 series in Minimus had a 4mm drop. The new Zero series, all of the shoes, zero drop, puts your foot into a neutral position and encourages a natural gait in running and walking. As a standard feature, NB Minimus shoes feature reduced stack height. Stack height is the total distance between your foot and the ground, including the midsole, the outsole, any lasting materials, and the insert. In this new series, we've taken several millimeters off of the stack height from where we were with the original 10 series. And as a standard feature also, all Minimus shoes have no insert. All the shoes in the NB Minimus Zero collection are extremely lightweight. All of the men's shoes will weigh less than 7 ounces, and all of the women's will weigh less than 5. The trail running shoe for men right now is coming in at 4.1 ounces. That's a full 3 ounces less than the trail shoe in the original 10 series. This is the MT00, the trail running shoe in the new NB Minimus Zero collection. Starting with the outsole. Again, we've worked with Vibram on the design and the compound for this sole. The rubber is placed in this outsole only where you need it. The midsole also has a unique design to it. It's designed with independent pods of cushioning that allow for independent movement throughout the midsole. You can see that the upper is a very simple design. It's essentially 2 materials, a lightweight breathable mesh with a laser cut and welded overlay over the entire shoe. The tongue is a simple piece of thin synthetic. In addition, we've reinforced the tip and the eye row and reduced the amount of eyelets on the shoe. This is the MR00 in the new NB Minimus Zero collection. This is the dream shoe for the high mileage runner who enjoys minimal shoes. This is also the first time that New Balance has employed Vibram in a road-focused running shoe. Like the trail shoe, we're providing rubber only where necessary, based on wear patterns of other shoes that we've researched. You can see that the lugs are also low and flat, and this is designed specifically to reduce wear. It also has a unique construction. This is a mono tongue. There is no separation of the tongue on the medial side. This allows for a really snug fit. Also allows us to keep the shoe very seamless. The overlays, again, are simple and strategically placed to provide support and stability only where you need it. This is the wellness shoe in the NB Minimus Zero collection. Also has a very thin midsole of ground contact EVA, and just placements 5 pods of lugs, again strategically placed just where you need them for durability and traction. The upper is simple, a very breathable mesh with strategically placed overlays for support and a hook and loop closure on the men's. The women's is a Mary Jane, again with a simple hook and loop closure. The wellness shoe can be used for a variety of activities. It can be used for walking, It can also be used by minimal runners or athletes who want to stay minimal all day long and train their feet and their legs to move more naturally. The NB Minimus collection is going to be a key driver for New Balance in Q1 12, and it's going to drive our leadership position in performance minimal footwear.